Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see someone's liked reels on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And just head over to the reels section. And here, if you want to see if someone has liked reels, just tap on the likes number in the reel and to take some time to load. And here you can see who liked the reels and how many people saw the list or played the reel. So this is the number, this is the people who liked this reel. So yeah, this is how you can see someone's liked reels on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.